Hi friends. So I hope like so many pandemic videos you would have received, and same. I'm going to talk about the same grim situation, and I'm going to tell you what are the choices we have. So basically, like what are the choices in hand with us to overcome the situation. So that is what I'm going to tell you all. See, our immune system, how it has made us, like when you are happy and when you are peaceful and when you have a peace of mind, your immune system is more proactive and it is kind of very effective to any of the foreign bodies which is coming inside. So what we in this current situation, what we need to do is, what we need to do is, we have to be more joyful, more peaceful, and help each other. Poor like nearby people help each other, and try to overcome this pandemic together. And see, there are so many negativities coming into the situation right now. We are getting a lot of our messages of negativity, negative thoughts about various things, and so we have to stop spreading the negativity. So there are so many social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, whatnot. Every media is like floating up and killing our inner peace. So in this situation, we have to like try to preserve our inner peace by being happy and like stop complaining about anything and do whatever you can to avoid this problem. So for example, if you see what government is saying is like you have to be at home and try to wear mask, double mask, whatever, like you try to stay at home and be prepared and try you take your vote among yourself. You will not get this pandemic. If you got it also, you will not spread it. So that is the main thing we have to do it in this current situation. See, India is a country. It is kind of we have according to 2019 data itself, we are 136 crore people in this country. So it is like 3 crore less than China. And if you see US, it is kind of US is 32 crore. There is the total population of the country. Even they struggled a lot during the second wave. So we as a country, we can't afford, any nation can't afford all 136 billion people, sorry, 136 crore people staying at a hospital or this one. So we have to give time for our this one, try to for our hospital and other things to get equipped, and the only way we can do is for a country like India is like stay home and try to avoid try to like increase the gap of getting this one virus. If you got it also, don't worry. There are so many app and so many hospital advice, and we have, our country is trying to help with the all the government facilities and stuffs like that. So we have to be more proactive in what we are doing, and there is no nation can go without the support of people. So see, if China is able to control it, they did it with force or whatever way they did it. We're not sure, and we are a democratic country, and we should support our country, and we should support our leaders, and we should believe them and get this overcome through the situation, and hopefully stay safe, be happy. That is the only thing we can do among ourselves, and get this time period sorted out. Thank you all.